everyone, welcome to Manny Pagan Travel Channel. If you like travel, if you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you can push these videos out to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Right now, I am currently in Round Valley Recreational Center or area in Lebanon. We're in Lebanon, New Jersey. And came for Labor Day. We thought that we are gonna be able to swim, but unfortunately, if you can see the lake over there, it's not open. They don't have lifeguards basically all over New Jersey. There's only one lake that we know of that is actually opened up an hour away from here where you can swim, but everywhere else, no lifeguards available. So what's going on, New Jersey? What's the problem? You don't charge to let people come into the park, but now you don't have lifeguards? Not cool. But anyways, on a heyday, this is a great place to come to and have a good time with your family. We have all tables here. We have these familiar faces on my channel. My brother-in-law, my sister, and my beautiful nephew enjoying the time. As you see, other people are also enjoying their time as well, cooking, grilling, all that kind of stuff. So it is a great place to come to and have a good time. So let's get an aerial shot of this place and let's see what this place actually looks like from up there.